Venus. Would you please state your name for the record?
My name is Eddie Nelson Osorio Martinez.
Your Honor, we're asking that a preliminary exam be set in this matter.
All right. We have all discovered.
Yes, Your Honor.
People have their witnesses available to 12.
Your Honor.
Preliminary examination will be set for May 12th, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Washington.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
On continue. Thank you, sir.
Your Honor.
Court calls the case People versus Natalie Mitchell.
Whose pen is it? I like
Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of, but not with Miss. I know
Again?
it's an odd day for me, Your Honor. This one has a violation though, and
Yes.
corrections couldn't get a hold of her, so I'm not shocked that I was not able to.
But
But I would be asking for an adjournment, nevertheless.
understood. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure. Bond will be set in this case in the amount of 25. Thank you.
25. Are you punishing me?
No, you're fine.
Come on,
Not you.
it's 10.
No, it's 10 if you just don't show up. Show up and they have a violation, so they get a little bit more.
All right.
Thank you for question. $25,000 cash surety. That warrant will certainly issue immediately.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Christopher Jackson.
All right, pause right here. This is where things get interesting. Notice how quickly the judge steps in to ensure the defendant has proper legal representation. That's not just routine, it's a constitutional right. But here's the twist. The defendant just got out and hasn't even had time to prepare. So the question is, can justice really move forward when one side is still catching up?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Hello. I have, state your name.
Christopher Van Jackson.
I have that you're gonna represent yourself.
No, I had a public defender. I just got out Tuesday, so then I had to go report across the hall yesterday, so I haven't had a chance to do nothing.
All right, so you wish to be represented by the public defender.
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, this is the public defender case.
Michael Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Jackson. Your Honor, I'd ask the court for a brief adjournment so we can discuss this matter further with vice.
All right. So now this is a public defender case. Sir, I'm going to adjourn this out, give you time to consult with them on this. May 21st, 2026, 9 a.m. All right, bond continue. Sir. Court does call the case People versus Tanisha Moore.
Your Honor, people.
Guys gotta get out of the way.
Okay.
Sorry. I have Mr. Amadeo.
Yes.
Who is?
Now this is where the tension quietly spikes. Did you catch that? A potential conflict of interest. Basically, two defendants pointing fingers at each other. In legal terms, that's a red flag. One lawyer can't defend both if their stories clash. And on top of that, more charges might be coming. So ask yourself, are we just seeing the beginning of something much bigger?
Joseph Philip F.
IPP 22920, hearing as Mr. Amadeo, who is attorney of record, not available. I'm here today for this hearing, for the arraignment.
For the arraignment,
Well, I know,
set for a probable cause conference.
I'm sorry.
Have any objection to counsel appearing for your attorney? No.
No.
No, all right. What are we doing?
I did talk to the folks from the prosecuting attorney's office. There is some issues, conflict. Well, first of all, conflict of Mr. Amadeo relative to this young lady and the other defendant.
There's a conflict?
Well, if says she did it, she says he did it. I think there probably could be a conflict, just a conflict possible. But also talking to the folks from the prosecuting attorney's office, they're waiting for discovery on Jones, and that there may have more charges on Moore. Waiting to see about that. And about some type of rehab that apparently Mr.
What? I don't, go ahead, please, somebody.
Just going to be asking for an adjournment today. There's some additional issues that need to get resolved.
There you go.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned May 14th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bound continued. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Curtis Jones.
Alexander, on behalf.
Call me again. Joseph Philip, FILIPP 22920, for Mr. Jones.
So let him get up to the podium. It's his case. You got to take your hands out of your pocket, Shane.
There you go.
Hands up. Oh, sorry.
State your name.
Curtis Jones.
All right. Do you have any objection to this attorney filling in for Mr. Amadeo
No.
today? Thank you.
During this